Let us study the topic instantaneous speed. As the name suggests, this is a speed at any instant. Okay, a speed at any instant. This is a speed at any instant. That is, instant means a point of time. This is not a period of time. This is instant means this is point of time. This is not a period of time. If it will be a speed at any period of time, that will be average speed. And this is a speed at any point of time, that is instant of time, that is instantaneous speed. Okay, here another point you can say it is a speed at any time interval when it tends to be zero. Okay, the speed in time interval delta t tends to be zero. So here delta t means change in time interval is very small, is tending towards zero. It is not exactly zero. Delta t is equal to 0. This is not correct. Delta t is nearly equal to 0. Okay, the change in time is nearly equal to 0. Suppose it is 4 seconds. Okay, and the another point of time is 4.0000. So many zeros. After so many zeros, it is 1 second. These two time intervals t1 and t2, when delta t will be calculated, t1 minus t2, delta t equals to t1, change in time. So t1 minus t2, that will be nearly equal to, it will be equal to 0. Okay, so we can say it is tending towards 0. When there is such little difference, the speed in such little difference is called instantaneous speed. Okay, now let's see the equation of the formula. Sorry. Let's see the instantaneous speed at any time. Mathematically, it can be written as instantaneous speed. Let it be, write it as S for a speed, I for instantaneous. SI equals to, it can be written as, at first it is a speed, so it will be change in what? Distance. Let's write it S, and S means distance here, and it is delta S by delta T. We have already studied speed is delta S by delta T, and now here one more condition will apply, that is time is limited towards 0. Okay, time is tending towards 0. This is a limitation here. Okay, in this condition delta S by delta T, there is a limitation, that is time should be tending towards 0, then it will be instantaneous speed. Okay, and it can also be written as, we know it is ds by dt, ds dt. It is pronounced as ds dt simply, but we are habituated to say ds by dt, where ds is what? Distance covered in time interval dt. Ds is what? This ds is what? Is distance covered in time interval dt. We have already studied these things in differentiation calculus. Okay, this is a mathematical part. So ds by dt is the differential coefficient of s with respect to t. So this is the mathematical form of instantaneous speed. This one means if any equation of suppose in any form, if this delta s, that is displacement, is given, we will simply differentiate it with respect to time, we will get instantaneous speed. So let's see one example. Let's see this question. If a body is moving along x-axis, its distance equation is this: x equals to at square minus bt cube, where x is in meter, this x is in meter, and t is in second, this t is in second. Find instantaneous speed at t equals to 2 seconds. Okay, then what is the formula for instantaneous speed? Let the instantaneous speed is vi or si, anything we can say. Okay, what the formula is? We simply differentiate it with respect to time. We will differentiate this equation with respect to time. Okay, differentiation means simply it will be dx by dt. So it is differentiation of this by dt. What will be the result? Will be simply differentiating it is 2at minus 3bt square. Okay, this will be yes. Then what is asked in the question? Instantaneous speed at t equals to 2 means we have to put t equals to 2 at last. Okay, so putting t equals to 2, what we get? T into a into, in the place of t it is 2 minus 3b square, little bracket we will write, put t equals to 2. Okay, then it will be 4a minus 3b square. Okay, this one 4a minus 3b square. Sorry. This is 3b. 3 will come here. So 3b t square. Okay. So it is in the place of t, it is 2 square. So it is 2 to 4 3 ja 12. It is 12b square. Okay. 4a minus 12b square. Okay. 4a minus 12b. Sorry. So only one b, single b. This 2 will not be here. 4a minus 12b. Sorry, it was simple calculation error. 4 may be taken as common. It will be a minus 3b. This one, this meter per second answer. Okay. What we did, we simply differentiated this equation. In any equation, you have simply to differentiate it with respect to time. If you have to get instantaneous speed, and at t equals to 2 seconds, so we will put it at last after differentiation. Differentiate, put, only 2 steps. Okay, such type of questions are asked in the JEE examinations or board examinations. Okay, thank you.